Hey, Levi, where are we going? At Target? No, we're not going to Target. We're going to Costco. You ready to go to Costco and get some groceries? It's time for our July Costco haul. I got not all my helpers, but a lot of my helpers. Talia, Renee, and Levi. I'll help you, don't worry. Those are cute. Here, Renee. Chicken wings. That's what we needed.
What's that?
These are on sale. We'll get one of those. That'll be good. All right, let's keep walking, please. Oh, you got it. Got to get Talia's favorite pickles.
Yes. Pocket pickles.
All right, let's go. Foil's on sale. Gonna stock up on that. Here you go, Renee. I'll get a little one too.
There he is. Okay, all done now. All done now. I'm ready to go now. Hello.
Cheese sticks, like always. There's a real life sample. You gonna go try some yogurt? Are you gonna go try a sample of yogurt? Go for it. Is that a good sample?
Yeah. Okay, then, come here.
What flavor did you get, Renee?
Lemon.
Oh, that's the best.
Ooh.
Gotta grab some coffee.
Some more yogurt.
You want to keep the cup so you can have more yogurt in it at home?
Yeah.
But you could get a big bowl of yogurt at home, right?
We don't need a tiny one, right? I thought you were sitting right here and I'm like, why is this random person putting oil in our cart?
Oh my goodness, you're so funny.
Let's
see. Oh, this buttery seasoning is on sale. I'm going to grab one. Ours is getting low. Yum. Yummy. Do you like Parmesan cheese? Parmesan cheese? What do you put Parmesan cheese on?
Yeah.
Well, you can put on a lot of things, but it's really good on spaghetti, or it's good mixed with breading for chicken strips or chicken wings.
Or chicken wings.
Do you like chicken wings?
Yes.
Yes.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wing. Oh, they have the plantain chips again. That's a pretty good deal. Let's get a couple of those. You like plantain chips?
Yeah, I want to bring them back home.
Yeah, let's bring them at home.
Mom, we got all stuff we need.
We are getting all the stuff we need. Just need to go down. Excuse us, sorry.
No worries.
Here we go. Ugh. This cart's getting heavy, huh? Isn't this cart getting heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's me upside.
Yeah.
But I know what I can take up.
All right, I think we did it. Our cart's all the way full.
I want to look at the Christmas aisle.
There's no Christmas aisle yet. It's July, baby. Christmas aisle doesn't start for at least another month.
What?
They usually start pretty early, huh? But not quite this early. I was hoping to get out with less than $400 spent, and I got to $390, so I made it. It's a win. Our haul is all spread out on the island and over on the table. I will start over here. Got a bag of frozen organic blueberries. Decided to give this a try. I've tried their other barbecue sauce, and it wasn't amazing, but I thought the Hawaiian might be a little bit better. We'll see. Some dry roasted almonds for the kids' trail mixes that they've been making. Some raw honey, organic rainforest blend coffee, which is my favorite. 2 bags of the pink Himalayan sea salt plantain chips. The kids really like that. Got 2 bags also of the cheddar jalapeno pork rinds. My husband's been trying to eat low carb more lately, and I thought he would enjoy those for a snack. They had the herb roasted turkey breast on sale, so I grabbed 1 pack of that. They also had the apple chicken sausages on sale. They had the organic today, so I grabbed a package of that for some easy dinner. Picked up another of the Buttery Steakhouse seasoning. This is really good. We've been using it for a while. It's really good on wings. It's also good on steak. Big thing of avocado oil as well as some spray avocado oil. This just comes in so much more handy sometimes, so I decided to get that. Pack of Gala apples, organic. 2 packs of Talia's favorite pickles.
I eat some now.
Would you like to give your review of those pickles? Tell everyone why they should buy them.
They're spicy yet satisfying.
Spicy yet satisfying. All right.
They're delicious. That's why you should buy them.
Is that your lunch?
Yes.
Okay. Have a good lunch.
Bye.
2 packs of burger patties. I love to cook these in the air fryer. They make such an easy meal when I forget to defrost anything. So grabbed a couple packs of those to make life easy. A big pack of chicken wings. I was excited to see these. I've been having a hard time finding chicken wings because apparently there's chicken wing shortage, which is very sad. But Costco had some, so I grabbed those. 3 packs of bananas and a big bag of golden potatoes. Now moving over here to the table, I got 2 packages of the breakfast sausage patties that I always get for our breakfast sandwiches. But like I mentioned, my husband is trying to eat lower carb, so I didn't get the sandwich thins, the bread buns that I usually use. And what I've been doing is making a low-carb bread out of egg whites, which is surprisingly delicious. And my husband has been using that instead of the sandwich thins. So it's a almost zero-carb breakfast sandwich with the sausage. And I put an egg patty in it and cheese and then the egg white bread. And it actually is quite good. So I'm excited about that change in our family, moving a little bit more towards low carb. I have always been, or usually am, more low carb, but my husband was wanting to get his energy up and feel better, so he decided to reduce his carbs, and he actually has been feeling a lot better and has really good energy, so excited about that. Then I got a big thing of old-fashioned oats. Those are for the kids. They love to make their 3-ingredient air fryer granola with that. Got 2 packages of string cheese. That'll last us quite a while. And a pack of bacon. The bacon is still really expensive. Last month when I went in, I was surprised by the price increase, and the price was the same this month. But I decided to just go ahead and get 1 package anyway. And then this is the last of it. This is all the non-food stuff that I got. Pack of big paper plates that were on sale, which come in handy when we're having barbecues and things like that. I got 2 packs of the aluminum foil, 1 of the small and 1 of the heavy duty larger size. I use both for different things, so I stocked up on that. Needed some kitchen garbage bags and paper towels. So the total that I spent was $390.06. I was just happy that it was under $400 this month. But that's still a big chunk of change. But I have been going to Costco only once a month recently. Before we moved, since we were so close to Costco, I sometimes went once a week. And so I had a lot smaller of hauls usually. But when I go once a month, I have been spending about $400. And of course, the increase in grocery prices has not helped that at all. I'm sure that plays into it as well. Thanks for going shopping with us, and we'll see you again in the next video.